What a beautiful vision, guys! O que será isso aqui? Será então a nossa aula de inglês? Vamos descobrir. Guys, I am Teacher Mauricio and today I'll be your English teacher. To start our English class today, I have 3 phrases for you. Let's check. 1. I like Harry Potter. 2. She doesn't study English. And 3. Do you like to study English? That's it. Do you recognize the grammar in this sentence? If you don't, I am talking about the simple present. People use the simple present when they want to talk about their daily routine or about their facts. Ok? Então as pessoas elas usam o simple present para quê? Para falar da rotina ou de fatos. Ok? Let's talk about the affirmative case of the simple present. Galerinha, a gente também não pode esquecer dos verbos auxiliares do simple present, do e does. Now, in the affirmative case, I have some sentences for you. Let's check. 1. I study English. 2. You study English. 3. We study English. And 4. They study English. Can you see? We don't have any difference in the verb. Now, when you talk about the third person of the singular, we have some rules. Let's check rule number 1, the general rule. Vamos falar agora da regra geral. If you have a verb in the third person of the singular, you just have to put letter S. Quem é então a terceira pessoa do singular? He, she, and it. Let's check. Example. He studies English. She studies English. Okay? So let's talk about the general rule. For example, if you say, ela joga futebol. She plays soccer. Ele joga basquetebol. He plays basketball. You just have to put letter S in the end of the verb. But now, if you have a verb, and in the end of this verb, you have letter O, SS, SH, CH, you have to put ES. Agora, se você tem um verbo, e nesse verbo tem todas essas letrinhas que eu falei, você só deve adicionar ES. For example, ela vai para a praia. She goes to the beach. Ok? That's it. Now, ele assiste televisão. He watches television. He watches television. Let's talk about another rule. Now, if you have a verb, and in the end of this verb you have a letter Y, and before this letter Y you have a consonant, you have to drop letter Y and put IES. Ok? Se você tem um verbo e no final desse verbo você tem uma letra Y e antes dessa letra Y você tem uma consoante, a gente retira a letra Y e acrescenta IES. For example, ele chora todos os dias. He cries every day. Ele estuda inglês. He studies English. Okay? But now, if you have a verb, and in the end of this verb you have a letter Y, and before letter Y you have a vowel, you have to keep letter Y and only put S. Agora, se você tem um verbo, e no final desse verbo você tem a letra Y, e antes da letra Y você tem uma vogal, você mantém a letra Y e acrescenta só um S. Ok? Guys, now let's talk about the negative case of the simple present. Do you remember about the auxiliary verbs do and does? We are going to use them now. Okay? If you have I, you, we, and they, we are going to use don't. And if you have he, she, it, the third person of the singular, you have to use doesn't. You can say do not or does not. Okay? For example, ele não gosta de açaí. He doesn't like açaí. Eu não gosto de Harry Potter. I don't like Harry Potter. Can you see the difference? That's very easy. Now, let's talk about the interrogative case of the simple present. Okay? In the interrogative case, you have to use the auxiliary verbs of the simple present. If you have I, you, we, and they, you have to use do. If you have he, she, and it, the third person of the singular, you have to use does. But don't forget, you have to make the inversion between the personal pronoun and the auxiliary verb. A gente não pode esquecer, então, de quê? De fazer a inversão de verbo auxiliar e pronome pessoal. For example, if you say, você gosta de sorvete? Do you like ice cream? Can you see? First, you have to put auxiliary verb, and after that, you have to put the personal pronoun. Now, você gosta de açaí? Do you like açaí? Yes, this is the interrogative case of the simple present, and you can answer this question. For example, if I say, do you like ice cream? I can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does she study English? You can say, yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Okay? That's it. Guys, did you enjoy this class? That was our English class for today, and I hope to see you in the next. Bye!